Yeah, Dylan's gonna be 20 minutes late because he says for us to meet here at noon, and it's 12:30, and he's like, it's not noon yet.
What? Did he say that?
Yeah.
It's not noon.
Started from the bottom, now we here.
I don't believe in myself.
Started from the bottom, now the whole fucking crew is here.
If
Started
this
from
doesn't
the
break,
bottom,
you
now
don't.
we
This
here.
doesn't go with the footage, guys.
Started from the bottom,
Okay.
now we here. I'm from the Midwest, we say what up though, we'll do it real big. When I'm back home, me and Major, we the next to blow. I made a mixtape in my dorm room.
Team
I
Alpha Male.
can't believe
This is
this.
Gregory Yang
Doesn't
from
seem true.
Minnesota.
I won't stop
I try to do
though,
it like you guys
till
in
everybody
California, but I don't
knows.
think my elbows are strong like yours.
I'm
You're
reppin'
bleeding,
finally
bro.
famous in Oslo too. To Ocean and Jacob, I ain't forget you, bitch. I'm about to blow up. I'm talking real soon. Make a bunch of money, give it back to the school. Cause we started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole fucking crew is here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole fucking crew is here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole fucking crew is here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Hit it!
Yeah,
Millsy!
yeah. I went from sleeping on the couch when I started grinding every day. I couldn't wait till I got my own apartment. Now I'm chilling in a house by the sand. Reach up in my pocket, probably touch a couple grand. Growing up I was misunderstood. Now this watch around my wrist got me feeling good. Went from Riverside, now I'm out in Hollywood. And my buzz worldwide like I knew it would be. Mama, I made it, your boy is almost famous. Thanks for the support and I appreciate the patience. Hold up, here's a shout out to my favorites. 23 years old and I'm aspiring to greatness. Go.
Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole fucking crew is here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Yeah, I started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole fucking crew is here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Check.
I was downtown clubbing, ladies' night. Seen shorty, she was crazy, right? I approached baby like, Ma, what's your age and type? She looked at me and said, you's a baby, right? I told her, I'm 18, I live a crazy life. Plus I tell you what the 80s like. Plus I tell you what the ladies like. Be the man that's polite, listens and takes advice.
Word, oh hey ma, what's up? Let's slide, alright? Oh good, come on, we gon' get it on tonight. I smoke, you drink, oh word, that's cool. Come on, yeah, cause we gon' get high tonight.
Drop so many gems, I could do it best of. I get this money, keep the rhythm like Questlove. A Cleveland nigga under palm trees, smoking good. You can't do nothing but respect it if you from the hood. My zip code 44108. Click clack, when you hear that 44, run away. I lost so many friends in my neighborhood. I know they love to see me down here doing good.
Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole fucking crew is here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Yes, I started from the bottom, now I'm here. Started from the bottom, now the whole fucking crew is here. Started from the bottom, now I'm here. Started from the bottom, now we here.